Hello, Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of FactoryTalk View ME. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the trends in our FactoryTalk View ME. So I'm going to select that to display and I'm going to create a new display and I'm going to save that display. I think I need to direct the plot. So I'm going to open trend and I'm going to make a trend there. You will see I'm going to select the XY plot as 1. So I'm going to display. You will see it will also select the decimals x-axis and I'm going to select the tag name. I think the y-axis custom I'm going to select from 0 to 10. That is going to apply. I'm going to make a connection. I'm going to select a level and x-axis, y-axis and pen. The yellow one, I think I need a white one. I'm just going to apply and OK. And so our trending is now created. Now I think I need a display button to going back to main. And a push button, I think say there is a navigation button. I'm going to select a push button then. I think the momentary button of are going to work as a but not I need a display. Sorry, I'm going to make a control Z. Forget to change how to change. I'm going to display navigation and go to I think that's it. I'm going to select the display and I'm going to name it. I forget to save that again. I'm going to make that screen name is trend. Now I'm going to select that as a display. I'm going to select a trend. And I think I don't have a parameter file. I'm going to label name as a trend. And I'm going to apply. I think that is okay. Our trend button is now created. I'm going to go to main and I'm going to paste it there. And I'm going to that is our trend I think. And in the trend I need a button which is called the main. So label and I'm going to name it the main. I'm going to apply it and OK. I think our both screens have now been created. Now I'm going to run simulation to see our trending is working or not. So let's see. Go to trend. It is not showing. Let me check the trend again. Standard. I'm again selecting that to standard. Now I'm going to run that again. I think then it's going to work. Now it is working. No, that's how we will see our trending is going to work. I'm going to name and make it to 5. It will change now. You will see it will going to 5 to 8 to again 5. And if I'm going to main and I think go to main and just copy that one to my trend to see our direct working or not. I'm going to again run simulation. I'm going to save it to main. Right again 10. 5 to 8 again. You will see it will going work. When it is going to reach the 8, I am going to make it to 3 again. So you will see it will going directly down. So you will see our trend is now working. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and click the bell icons and comments if you don't understand anything. So thank you very much again.